obviously had to go ahead and make my own toilet paper holder. So I headed over to Blender, which is a free online tool for 3D sculpting. It was actually my first time using Blender for sculpting, so it was a bit of a learning curve, especially because I was doing hands. I've never done hands before for sculpting. So it took about 14-15 hours to learn the software and then get the actual sculpt done. I made sure to take plenty of breaks as I was doing it and load up on plenty of electrolytes. What you can't see here after that stupid stunt is just me being in bed for like 2 hours, just desperately trying not to throw up. Anyway, back to the hand. Middle fingers are kind of hard to sculpt, so make a middle finger for me. Look at your hand, it looks kind of gross, and then logistically putting on a toilet paper roll on top of that is a little tough. So I made sure to take plenty of walks. The park wasn't open, unfortunately, so I had to go to the next nearest thing. Oh my god, he travels. Anyway, I had a lot of fun with this one. After I was done with the larger portions, I started working on the finer details, including my imminent future, aka a hell of a lot of wrinkles. This is what the final version ended up looking like, and I included a piece to attach it to the wall. I thought about drilling through the entire thing, but thought this hook system could be a better way to attach it. For paint, I put on a white primer as pale as my friend David, and then I put on a gold covering as thin as David's arms on top of that. Before the final reveal, please make sure you hit the like and subscribe buttons so I can stop selling feet pics. I'm also going to be giving one of these away, so if you really want a middle finger, a toilet paper holder, or just a giant middle finger, make sure you subscribe and then comment what color you want it painted on below, and I'll choose one lucky or very unlucky member to get it. Alright, without further ado, Jesus!